Welcome back everyone, I am Danilo Romolini and welcome to a new property tour. Today we are immersed in nature, surrounded by beautiful vineyards, by hills and with a beautiful day. We are about to discover together a fully restored 18th century farmhouse that you can see right behind me, with its own guest house, beautiful swimming pool and lots of comfortable outdoor space. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The home is conveniently located just 5 kilometers to the charming town of Arezzo, which is very well connected to the rest of Italy thanks to its train station and highway. Then we have Cortona, about 40 minutes away, and Montepulciano. Then we have the Perugia airport, which is about 1 hour and 10 minutes, and the Florence one, which is just over 1 hour drive. The home is immersed in its 1 hectare of outdoor space, completely fenced and perfectly manicured. All of this lawn is watered by the 2 private wells of the property that also supply water to a cistern for additional storage. The gas that supplies the property is connected to the mains, so very comfortable. As you can see, the restoration has kept all of the traditional features of the farmhouse with the beautiful exposed stones on all sides and also the terracotta ceilings and terracotta floors that you will notice on the house when we go inside. All of this garden is irrigated. There is also an outdoor lighting system, and there are also several beautiful olive trees all around. The property, as you can see, is made up of 2 main buildings. You have the main farmhouse, which is 450 square meters. And on this side, we have the guest house, which is 160 square meters, for a total of 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. An additional wonderful space for the outdoor area is this covering that you see right here. It is traditional as well, made out of wood and terracotta tiles on the ceiling as well as on the floor. This is perfect to dine and also have lunch outside with your friends and your family. There is a long table on this side, and on this other part we have an outdoor kitchen, traditionally made with terracotta details. This is powered by gas. As we keep going, we find a stone carved sink, beautifully made, and all of this area here is ideal as a work area. On this side, in the end, you can notice there is a barbecue that can be activated with wood burning, and on this side we even have a pizza oven. Just a few steps from the main villa we have the spectacular swimming pool. It is 10 by 5 meters and it is beautifully located in front of this landscape, with the vineyards, the hills behind and the sun all day long. On 3 sides we find rough finished travertine marble, and on the 4th side we find an infinity edge. Welcome inside the guest house. It is 160 square meters laid on 2 levels. As we enter, we find this open plan kitchen full of charm. We have the terracotta floor with stone details on the edges, the wooden beams on the ceiling, and this natural light which immerses the space. You have lots of windows all around. This beautifully carved marble top on this side, carved into the sink with storage underneath, while on this other side we have the kitchen with the stove and oven. We also have a prosciutto cutter over here. From the stairs that you see, we reach the upper floor with those stairs up, and the lower level with those other stairs. Let's have a look. Through a few steps, we get to the living space. Also here, lots of charm with these beautiful beams. Instead, here we have this wood board floor and a working fireplace with wood burning that has all of this stone around, so it's a typical Tuscan fireplace. This space, by the way, it's air conditioned and heated through both radiators and fan coils. Just on my right, we also find a service bathroom for this floor. On this other side, we find a big opening that accesses onto an outdoor loggia, making it an ideal spot for a coffee in the morning. Here we are on the first level. You can see the main bedroom right here. Also on this part we find the beautiful wood floor and the wood ceilings, 2 windows overlooking a vineyard, and on this side there is the bathroom for this bedroom and for this second space, which can be used either as a bedroom but could also be a closet or as well an office. And here we are now inside the main farmhouse. It is 450 square meters with 3 double bedrooms and some beautiful living spaces on the ground floor. As you enter, you can notice also here we have lots of charming details with these original terracotta floors, a beautiful fireplace on this other side that is working and is made out of stone. You can immediately notice how much natural light there is. In fact, even though it's a farmhouse, which usually have quite small openings, have a look at these wide arches that give lots of light. From this living area over here, we connect the spaces on this side to a room that can be used as an office. It also has its own independent access, while on this other part, through this arch, we get to what can be considered either a dining space or as well a reception room. From these steps we go upstairs, I will show you later, and now let's have a look at the kitchen. The kitchen is also traditionally made with terracotta floors, this built-in top over here with nice and classic tiles and lots of charming details on this part. We have an oven, we have a barbecue area with an extractor and the stone top over here. This kitchen also has its own service access on this side, and the sink is right behind me, as well made of marble carved in, just like in the guest house. Comfortably located, we find on my right side the cellar. This is a cool space that can be used either as a pantry or as well as a wine cellar. On this other part, we then find the fridge with additional storage, a second outdoor access from where you have a second pizza oven and a loggia. While right behind me, up a few steps, you get to a bar area, which is connected to a second loggia and ideal for the summertime to prepare some drinks or even a coffee. From the bar area, we then connect to a service bathroom, ideal for the ground floor spaces, and on the left side to a laundry area. We are now on the first floor. You can see also here lots of natural light, and you also have a view on this double height of this space. As you get here, you have a reception space that connects to the 3 bedrooms of this farmhouse. Let's begin with the primary bedroom on my right. The primary bedroom takes up the whole width of the house with these really high ceilings, which are probably up to 4 meters tall. On this side, we find a little sitting area ideal to read a book and a working fireplace. The bed is placed at the center, and on the right side of the bed you have a walk-in closet. While right behind me you can see the independent access of this bedroom through the external staircase, which is typical into antique farmhouses. Of course, then it's also connected internally. While behind me you can see the ensuite bathroom, which is very charming. It's made up of 2 levels. You have on the lower level the sink with a beautiful view on the vineyard outside, and on the upper level we have the shower. Here we have the second bedroom of the first floor. You enter through this beautiful wooden door and you can notice similar details at the other spaces. Also here we have nearly 4 meter tall ceilings with this slanted shape which takes the shape of the roof. On this side we have a bespoke wardrobe that takes up the whole width of the space, the bed in the middle and the view on the green. Over there we find the ensuite bathroom. The third bedroom is the brightest of them all. It has 2 windows with a corner, so it has light on 2 sides, with a view on the green, on the vineyards and on the swimming pool. It is of this light blue, which is very nice. The bed is on the center, we have a wardrobe and of course the ensuite bathroom like all of the bedrooms. This property really has it all. We are on a great location, just 15 minutes to one of the most charming cities of Tuscany, which is well connected throughout Italy. It is on an elevated spot with a beautiful panoramic view and its own 1 hectare land. You also have a beautiful swimming pool, 2 buildings, so you can also have guests, and in the main building you have beautiful common spaces. The home is ideal either for a family that would like to live here or as well use it as a holiday home. Please let me know if you have any comments in the comment section below or questions, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!